Alright, this is a quick DIY compost worm bed, whatever you want to call it. So first I got 3 of the same buckets and a top. Drilled holes all in the top. This snaps on and off. I drilled holes all the way around the rim on the top and on the bottom of 2 buckets. And the third one I didn't do anything to. So this catches all your tea from your worms, any liquid that comes off of them, and then you have worms in here. So there's mine, and I got crushed up leaves. So this one would sit in the bucket with no holes and collect the tea and keep them dry. And then essentially when this bucket gets full, you would put this bucket in, start throwing your compost. All the worms will work up to here eventually, and then you'll have nothing but compost. So then you would take this, use it in your garden, and then when this one gets full again, you would put it on top of this one and start over. So yeah, it's working pretty good, not too much maintenance. Got a little bit of tea. I check them about once a week. We throw compost and leaves. I've been using leaves lately. Careful with the compost, they don't get to it fast enough and then you get fruit flies, but I mean, I didn't really do anything to mitigate that, so I just kind of let it go. They're gone now, but anyways, there it is.